Hello and welcome back to another video from la WEBA. Today we will talk about the recommended time to charge your smartwatch. So if you don't know this information, stay until the end of this video. Let's get started. The estimated charging time is around 2 hours. It's always recommended to turn off the smartwatch before charging it. Now let's talk about the type of charger. For example, with this kind of a smartwatch, the HK9 Ultra, we obviously use wireless charging. This means that of course we will need to connect it this way, and it must always be connected to a cell phone charger. This cell phone charger can be a fast charger, and here it is basically. Now if at the end of the charging process your smartwatch still has a low battery, this could mean two possible things. It could be that the battery is starting to fail, which is normal as time passes, or it could be also that you didn't charge it for long enough. In that particular case, just charge it 2 hours, and if it's needed 2 or 3 hours to charge, then just let it charge for that amount of time. Likewise, I want to recommend the video that I'll leave right here, where we talk about 5 tricks to save your battery life. This way you will be able to keep your smartwatch battery lasting much longer, and if you're interested you can go and check it out. And well, that ends today's video. I hope it helped you a lot. I hope you enjoy it. Please give us a like, comment and share this video. Take care and see you in the next one. Bye bye.